Hello, this is Amy Elliott from Simply Secure, inviting you to join my workshop, Trust Me, about the role that user experience design can play in protecting privacy. There's a misconception that you have to be a very technical person, like a cryptographer, or a legal expert, like a lawyer, in order to make meaningful contributions in the sphere of privacy, security, and ethics. And that's not true. There's a critically important role for design and designers in that conversation. This workshop will focus on the role that non-technical design disciplines like brand strategy, copywriting, user experience design research, interaction design can play in protecting people's privacy. So using GDPR as a catalyst, we're going to move beyond reacting to changes in the law and into how to use a human-centered design process to focus on your organization's values and create products and services that people trust. I hope you'll join me.